Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. So today we are going to make snake gourd curry in South Indian style. It's very popular in South India. It's known as Kootu, and in each state like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, it's made with slight variation. But basically the ingredients are the same: snake gourd along with some lentils and coconut, ginger, garlic and few spices. So shall we proceed to make this curry? Here are the ingredients. I've taken one snake gourd. You can see it's very tender. I've got it directly from the organic farm. And little tamarind lemon sized. I've soaked it in little water. Half cup tur dal. Soak it well for 2 to 3 hours. Salt to taste and half teaspoon turmeric powder. These are the ingredients for grinding. Freshly grated coconut 1/4 cup, garlic paste 1 teaspoon, ginger a small piece, 2 green chillies, coriander seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds half teaspoon, 8 to 10 peppercorns, half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Grind all these ingredients coarsely, adding little water. Now these are the ingredients for tempering: mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds half teaspoon, Asafoetida 2 pinches, few curry leaves, 2 dried red chillies and little bit of oil as needed. Ingredients list can be checked in the description box also. Now first we will scrape out the outer skin of the snake gourd. Friends, I hope you are enjoying my recipes, and a small request to the new visitors: do subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon and choose all options so that you don't miss out all the notifications whenever I upload a new video. Cut the snake gourd into small pieces. Now this is done. Let's proceed to cook. Transfer the soaked dal into a pressure cooker and add the snake gourd pieces. Add little salt to taste and turmeric powder. 1 cup of water. Now close the lid. Give it a shake before doing that to mix everything. You can even cook it in a normal pan also, which takes little longer. We are going to cook it for 2 whistles only because snake gourd is tender and dal is very well soaked. If not, then you cook for 3 whistles. Sometimes you have no time to soak dal, then you cook for 3 whistles. And add little more water. Open the lid after releasing the pressure. It's perfectly done. We should not overcook the tur dal. It should be little grainy. Now add the ground masala paste, the coconut paste, and little bit of tamarind juice as you like. I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons first. We can add little later if required. Give it a gentle stir. Check the salt. Add if required. I'm adding little more tamarind juice. So this can be added as per your liking. Now we are going to cook it little on medium flame, maybe for about half a minute or so. That's enough. This is the perfect texture kootu should be. Now we'll proceed to add the tempering to it. Heat little oil in a small pan. Once it's hot, add the tempering ingredients: mustard, cumin seeds, Asafoetida, curry leaves and dried red chillies. Allow them to crackle. Reduce the flame. Once this is done, mix it into the curry kootu. It's done. Perfect. Now this texture is perfect if you are serving it right away. Remember, this thickens when you keep it. If you are serving little later, then you add some more water. It will be perfect by the time you serve it. Delicious. Do give it a try. This kootu goes very well with plain rice and fried papads or appalams. A simple comforting meal. You can also make this kootu with the other vegetables like pumpkin, ash gourd, nol khol, and many other similar kind of vegetables. And even the lentils can be replaced with moong dal or mixture of all the dals, chana dal, moong dal, Toor dal. Thank you for watching, and do check out these videos also from my old collection in case you have missed them. Take care.